In this video, I'm going to show you how to read WhatsApp messages without the sender knowing, okay? If you are already a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for, okay? Okay, just open WhatsApp app, okay? Then click on the three dots at the top. Then click on settings. Then you want to locate privacy. After locating privacy, just scroll down. Okay, what we want to turn off here is the read receipt. Just click on it like this. Now we've managed to turn it off. By doing this, if people send you messages, you'll be able to read them, but they will not be notified by blue text that you've already read their message. Okay, that's a very simple private setting that will make sure that you enjoy your privacy when using WhatsApp. And if you've already not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We are growing. Join our team as we grow together. Okay, thank you.